God, I'm shifting so good with these, dude. Back to the roots. I'm wearing these. I'm wearing these when I took the MSF course, and they were great. So, well, hello guys. We're going to Cycle Gear. Yeah. Well, anyways, we're going to Cycle Gear. Robby was gonna go look at either a different comm system or better fitting one in his helmet, because it's kind of snug and like his ears get all messed up from it. So oh my god, he's following us, dude. Let's go. Yeah, he is. He's behind you. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, Paulson's Motorsports. I remember that place. Yeah, anyways, we're going to Cycle Gear for that reason. I don't remember if I said it or not. Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, I'm shifting insane right now. Yeah, these gloves are, oh my god, 20 bucks. These are for you guys who don't know, I think I had them in remember the RGT karting video where I posted the MSF course thing? I was wearing these gloves in the rain. They were great. I didn't lose any grip at all, even though they're full of leather, but they're breathable and shit, and they've been reliable. I just got a different pair, multiple different pairs. So I don't know, these ones are just kind of basic. I wanted to get something that looks a little cleaner, but might should be wearing these from now on. So yeah, I did our oil changes. The chain looks good, and it's well within spec. The chain like slack is insane. It's like 45 or 35 to 45 millimeters. Yeah, I don't know, I just follow the owner's manual. So you know how the clutch thing, I think I said it in other videos, but like, it's not the clutch or the lever, it's fine. It's just the fucking throttle response is what I need to work on. Like, I just need to be like quicker with my shifts. Like, it's not the clutch is fine. That's not what the hissing sound is about. It's the throttle. Like, when on my bike at least, it's like if I go back and forth and like close and open the throttle constantly, like when I'm in like a lower speed or higher speed, it like jerks a lot, which the bike doesn't like. So in 6th gear it's fine because there's no power, so, and the transmission and all that stuff are like sequential in that gear, like they're identical, so it's not like a massive loss of speed. But yeah, wearing these gloves now from now on. Yeah, butter smooth. Oh my god. Oh my god. I haven't shifted like this in like over probably 1,000 miles. Ever since I got like the lever and stuff, I don't know. Fortnine's probably the most educated motorcycle YouTuber out there. Well, I mean, he gives all these fancy like math equations, and he acts like you know what they mean. Like, no. He acts like we know what that means. Like, we're just like, okay, just get to the fucking point. Dang, it's only 12:30. I feel like more in control with these gloves. I feel like I feel the throttle more. This bike loves to rev. Like, if I go below 7,000 or 6,000 RPM, it doesn't, like, I feel it, like the vibration. It's not like a smooth vibration, but once I get up in RPM, like it I don't know, everything like works accordingly. That's good. I mean, it's a Ninja 400 motor. The same thing with mine. It's the R3 motor, so both race bikes, both the highly stressed engines, so And we can use HOV lane. This guy's going fast. What the fuck? He's going like 90. What the fuck is that? That was a vintage car. It looked like an old Rolls Royce. Kind of like the Indiana Jones car. The Saudi Arabian, he's like the Rolls Royce Phantom.
Rolls Royce Phantom 2. 4.3 liter, 30 horsepower, 6-cylinder engine with Stromberg downdraft carburetor can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 12.5 seconds.
The new Indiana Jones movie sucks though. Like even Harrison Ford admitted it, like it was dog shit. Look at, oh my god, I wish I got that on GoPro. No, I don't know if it got it or not. I fucking knew that was coming too. No, you like it stands out more. Like it's like an offset. Like the black visor, good choice with that though. I'm gonna GoPro, or I'm gonna get your helmet like on the GoPro so you like see it better. Yeah, okay, yeah, it looks good. We're gonna take a look in cycle gear, everybody. We'll be back very shortly. Alright, we're back. Apparently the cycle gear people said that his helmet was offset, like because he had his comm system in. They were trying to make him think that it was the helmet, but like maybe it's just the comm system. I mean, Cardos are fucking steep in price. They literally cost as much as the helmet you bought, so. What? No. I mean, it's like tilted to the left, but so is mine. Like, it's because of the comm system. Don't fucking worry about it. Don't worry about the fucking helmet thing. They're just trying to make you get more money to them, so. So I didn't record us leaving the Dairy Queen, but yeah, we're just exploring, trying around, so I'll let you know when something interesting happens. God, I wish I was fucking recording that too, man. Fucking, this fucking old guy didn't fucking look when he was pretty close. He was pretty close. He like was simply just fucking oblivious. Man, if I got that on video, it would have been on Moto Madness or something. He fucking exited and went another way. I just looked at him and was like I tapped my visor, like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. I don't even know if I'll post it or not, but anyways, thanks for watching. You'll be seeing more POV videos. I'm working Frozen for the next 2 weeks, so plenty of time to record one of those. But yeah, I mean, like we said in the description or whatever, if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys want to see, literally just let us know. We'll be glad to consider more content. Yeah, that's all I got.